featuring a 3S LDK detached home in Gotemba City, Shizuoka Prefectures, with Mount Fuji view, cool highland air, and a residential neighborhood where you can live like a local. With easy access to resort, shopping, and Tokyo, is ideal for both living and investment. The property sits on 225 square meters of land with building size of about 80 square meters across 2 floors. Built by Sekisui Heim, one of the Japan's top home builders, this home offers reliable quality, energy efficiency, and insulation that keeps the home cool in summer, warm in winter, and energy efficient all year round. Outside, a 6-car drive-away offers hassle-free parking alongside with 33 square meters of garden, ideal for your morning coffee, weekend barbecues, or family fun. Inside, the first floor features an open-concept living, dining, and kitchen area with built-in appliances. The all-electric system makes it safer, low maintenance, and ready for future solar use. There's a bathroom with deep soaking tub and a separate toilet, a practical setup for daily ease. This is the first toilet in the house, conveniently located on the ground floor. The layout is designed for both comfort and functionality in everyday living. And in the kitchen, a monitor intercom lets you speak and see the visitors before letting them in. Upstairs, you will find a service room perfect for storage, hobby space, or even a quiet home office, along with 3 comfortable bedrooms and a second toilet for added convenience. The key features of this house include 24-hour ventilation system, a barrier-free layout for easy movement through every part of the home, and a south-facing orientation that fills the space with warm, natural light all day long. From this home is about 3 kilometers to Gotemba Station, where you can take the JR Gotemba line to nearby cities or hop on to Odakyu Express train for a direct ride to Shinjuku. Highway buses from Toumei Gotemba also connect you directly to Tokyo Station. You are also just 6 minutes from Toumei Expressway, connecting you directly to Tokyo and then to Nagoya and eventually Osaka. And only 60 minutes on foot brings you to Tokinosumika, a local resort with hot springs, seasonal lights, great food, and even a craft beer brewery. The price of this home is 20.8 million yen, about 187 Singapore dollars. Are you looking for a smart, solid home with comfort and great access? This is the one. I'm Fawn with Nihonest.